Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, Steve, are you ready for a question of the week?
Nope.
Well, we're going to proceed anyways. And guess what? I haven't told him this question yet, so let's see how he does. Ready? Okay.
Let's go.
Is it normal for my lawnmower deck to crack because it's old? Does that mean like an actual crack in the deck?
Is it normal for a lawnmower deck to crack when it's old? No, it is not normal. Next question.
Well, do you think you got a little bit of something to add to that, maybe?
Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I know what this guy's talking about. He's not talking about a riding lawnmower. He's talking about a walk-behind lawnmower. And I've seen this so many times working at small engine shops, working with different mechanics too. And what they're talking about is the crack. What he's talking about right there is the crack. Several cracks sometimes that are on your lawnmower deck, right where the engine bolts down to the lawnmower deck. Right around those mounting bolts, sometimes you'll see cracks where the deck is actually literally like busting apart sometimes.
Are they like little hairline cracks or like really visible?
Hey,
or do you even notice them?
So yeah, you know what? Sometimes when they first start, they're little hairline cracks, and you can kind of see the paint is cracked a little bit.
Oh.
And then when they get worse, sometimes they literally start busting apart.
Oh, gee.
Yeah, so that's a good question. I really want to show you something right now. We're going to cut for a second here because we got to pull the lawnmower up onto the bench so I can actually show you a little bit. Okay, hold on. Give us a sec.
Okay, Steve, really? The beer?
So, come on, I'm trying.
Ugh.
She's always hogging my beer. I don't know what's with that. Get your own damn beer if you want a beer. Okay, right here, we got this on the bench now. Now I can show you. Here's a bolt right here. This is one of the mounting bolts. Most lawnmowers have 3 or 4 bolts that come up from underneath the deck to hold the engine down to the deck. So this is a perfect example. We don't have one. We just looked all over the place. We don't have one that's actually cracked, but I can show you what I'm talking about. There's a bolt coming through, and you're going to see a little, it's like a half moon kind of crack on the deck. Not on the engine, but the deck right here. It comes around like that. Now, if you see a crack like that on your deck, on your walk-behind lawnmower, I've worked with so many small engine mechanics in my life that you get something on your bench, another small engine mechanic will walk by and he'll look at it and he'll go, "Bent crankshaft." Just like that. They just know it's a bent crankshaft. And that's correct most of the time. It is caused from vibration. Do you know anything about vibration, April?
Don't you dare.
What I'm just saying, that vibration is a powerful tool, and vibration. I've actually seen decks crack apart from a bent crankshaft, or bolts that are broken, sheared right off on your engine from vibration. That is most likely caused, in my experience, from a bent crankshaft. Vibration on your lawnmower can also not be a bent crankshaft. It can be your blade. Your blade could be out of balance. You've sharpened it so many times, but you've never balanced it. Now it's out of balance and it's going to vibrate like crazy too. It could be from your blade being bent. That'll make it vibrate. It could be from your blade actually not being installed correctly. Maybe when you put your blade on, it's a little off center, and then you fasten that on there. It's the same thing as it being out of balance. It's going to cause vibration. That is the number one cause ever where I see a deck start cracking apart like that.
That's fascinating. So how can you tell what's making it vibrate? You've given a lot of options here.
Okay, so that's a really good question too. If you want to know 100% sure if your crankshaft is bent or not, we have video.
Hey, yeah, we've got a couple videos on that. We've got one on how to fix a bent crankshaft, right?
Yeah, yeah. And the other one is just how to tell if it's bent to begin with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should definitely check those out.
Okay, can we put some links underneath underneath
I'll
this
do
video
that.
in the description?
Yeah, check those
Okay,
out.
check out for 2 links in the description of this video on how to tell if it's bent in the first place, and also how to fix that. In my experience, every time I see that deck cracking like that, it's from vibration of some kind. Now, I know that there's a lot of you small engine mechanics out there too that maybe know a different reason. I'm just thinking off the top of my head right here, so it will actually surprise me with that question. Put your comments down in the comments section if you can think of another reason. I just thought of another one actually too. If your blade hits something really hard when you're mowing, it can tweak that engine and crack your deck a little bit too. But that kind of also goes along with what I was saying. Well, now your crankshaft is going to be bent, or your blade's going to be bent anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah, that jarring of hitting something too can actually do that. Put your comments down. Let us know if you ran into anything else that can actually bust your deck apart like that. Okay, is that better?
Yes.
Not
thanks,
just a
Steve.
simple no?
Yes, that's great. Okay, we'll accept that as the answer.
Okay, right on.
Well, I guess that's it for the question of the week. Make sure to go back and check out the previous questions. You know, they're in the Saloon Mail playlist. You can check that out anytime. And please subscribe if you haven't already, because we love new subscribers.
Did you mention thumbs ups?
No.
Well, there you go. Give us a thumbs up on that one too. Hopefully we help somebody out. And damn it, give me my beer back. Thank you very much. And April and Steve out.
See you next week. Yep, let's go. Hey guys, we're back. This is no. I don't know. Can you figure it out?
You got to start again.
Why?
I can't. That was.
What? But how do you deal with that? Sorry, you didn't.
No, that no.
Well, how do you know which one it is? Okay.
In my experience, that is every time. It's no.
And you want me to? How did you want me to do that again?
Say no. It's not normal. Next question.